Back to Career Cafe. Moses, wave hello to the people. Oh, there's Campus VP Edgar Soto. All right, we are coming to you live from Desert Vista Campus with Career Cafe. We're here till 1 o'clock in the south lobby of the Pueblo building. And for those of you who don't know, Career Cafe is an opportunity for you to come on by and get connected with Pima's career resources. We have tips for you about how to update or create those cover letters, resumes, interview skills, and we also want to get you familiar with many different support and resource tools that we have for you to build those career readiness skills. One of which is something that we call Career Coach. So I have one of Pima's career counselors here. I'm going to turn the camera around so that she can introduce herself and tell you a little bit more about this really cool tool. So tell us who you are and what you do.
Well, hi, my name is Belinda Stevens, and I'm a career counselor located at the downtown campus. I'm here to support students in figuring out what they want to do. So one thing that's really cool about our new tool called Career Coach is that students can log into my Pima, or they can just get on our Pima website, go into this portal, take like a 6-question assessment, figure out in like a couple of seconds what careers are out there here in Arizona and around the United States.
Awesome. Now, if I'm recalling correctly, there's some like quizzes that students will start off with when they go into this tool, right? What are those for? What do they do?
So there's a 6 assessment option and there's a 60 assessment option where students will answer a couple of questions, really easy. No worries. That'll take them to our actual Career Coach tool where they'll get an option to look at different programs of studies here at Pima Community College.
Very cool. So it kind of takes into factor like their strengths or their interests, and then it matches them?
And then it matches them. So once they get the list, they'll see, for example, education is 100%. Well, what they might want to do will be in that section. They'll click on that section. It'll show them different careers in that particular area. Then let's say they're like, you know what, I want to take some classes at Pima, or maybe I want to change my program of study. It then takes them into a deeper dive where they'll be able to actually look at the different programs of studies connected to that career here at Pima. Or if they want to transfer, it just depends on what they need to do to get that career.
So it sounds like this tool would be helpful for maybe the undecided students, or maybe the students who are interested in changing their major or program?
Actually, it's for everybody, but undecided for sure, because if you're kind of thinking, you know what, I don't really know what I want to do, I know what I like to do, the assessments take you down that journey of what you like to do, what you don't like to do, and the stuff at the end of that list is the stuff that you really don't want to do.
Yeah.
So to me, it's a time waster to look at a bunch of stuff that you may not be interested in, but with the Career Coach tool, it allows you time just to look at the stuff that you like to do.
Awesome. So again, for where they can go to get started, I'm going to zoom in here. You all should be able to see that QR code, but also if you just went to pima.edu/career coach, then that is going to take you to the tool, and that is where you can create that account, take those quizzes, and assess how they match up with a program of study here at Pima Community College. Now, if someone did that quiz, looked through the results, but they wanted to talk with someone about what those results look like or to get some more information, who do you recommend they follow up with?
If they are undecided, they do have a career counselor that is assigned to them, so I recommend they log into their Pima Connect account and make an appointment. If they aren't undecided, and meaning that they're already in a program of study, they can just do the same thing, log into Pima Connect and make an appointment with their program advisor. If their program advisor still needs some support, that's where I come in.
Awesome.
So just, again, Pima Connect is your hub. Your advisors are located there to support you.
Very cool. All right. So if you are near Desert Vista campus, stop on by and visit us anytime between now and 1 o'clock. Again, we have a lot of resources available to get you connected and ready for the job hunt process, or if you just wanted to figure out how your strengths and talents best match with a program of study at Pima and a future career, use those tips that Belinda just shared about Pima's Career Coach tool. All right, thank you so much for watching this pop-up live stream, and we hope to see you later. Till then, keep striving.